Zoom information. I'll
All
be
right,
right
I'm
back.
taking us live, guys.
Okay. To dial in, you're gonna dial 929. Okay, if you're using the Zoom app, then you would enter the meeting ID number 360-437. You ready? 437-0000. Yeah. Yes. And then you'll be connected. We'll see you on video. But if you're unable to connect that way, you can dial in and we'll just hear you on your phone. Okay, the number is 929.
All right, I've got someone on a Google Pixel. I need your full name, please. You need to unmute and give me a name, please.
2866. And then you'll be prompted to enter in
Attorney
that
Johnson, good morning. It's so good to see you.
70000. Now, it's best if you need to show like
On the
Facebook.
Pixel, you got on a black hoodie. I'm going to turn your video off because it's not, I can tell we're having a connection issue. So I'm going to try stopping your video. Okay, now on the Google Pixel in the yellow hat, what's your name?
Walker County.
Say the first name again, please.
Walker.
I'm not able to understand. Try spelling it.
Walter.
Yeah.
A little louder one more time.
Walter.
Thank you, Walter. Okay. And what's the last name?
Turner.
Thank you.
Turner.
All right, now your signal is much clearer. Thank you.
You're scheduled for today?
Okay, Mr. Turner, I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room so an attorney can come and meet with you. Please wait patiently. Use the time you're waiting to gather documents like registration and insurance if you know you need to show them. You're going to room 11. Please hit join. Good morning, Attorney Johnson.
Good morning, Your Honor. I was muted there. Good to be in your courtroom
I am so glad you're back. Where have you been?
again. They try to move me around every now and then.
I'm telling you, I was like,
Keep
I'm
it
gonna have to put a
balanced.
word in that I need to keep Attorney Johnson because
All right, so I have evens or odds, or I'm starting at the
so I just gave you co-host. Let's see. I think you're the first one here. You
okay.
may be our only house counsel. I don't know.
Yeah, I might be. All right, no
Yeah.
problem.
So
We'll get started.
looks like 2 and 3 have counsel
Okay. I do not have Miss Horn's
offers.
offers for today. I have
All
not
right, let's
received.
take a look at what we have. We have Marcus Talton in room 4. She's telling me his SOS is valid, so that must mean something. Let's take a look at Talton.
You're scheduled for 8:45. I thought you said 8:30.
Okay.
And then you have.
You got the list though. You've got your
I do have,
docket.
yes, from
Okay, so let's check Talton. We'll just see what we can deal with quickly here since you don't have offers yet. Shannon Walker ended up coming in yesterday.
Okay.
We can tell
That's
you.
good too. So if we need to.
Yeah.
Trainers.
All right. I'm gonna look at my most recent docket because I got 2 from Madam Clerk.
Right. One, it looks like there was maybe a motion from an attorney or background research or something.
This looks like, oh, this is Mr. Phoenix. He came yesterday. Okay. I was getting confused. So anyway,
All right. I'll get started.
yeah, I was trying to look for Mr. Talton, but it's taken me a minute, so you'll probably find him just as fast as I do.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thanks. Oh,
Okay, good morning. Again, Judge, can you hear me?
I can.
Okay, so Attorney Patrick Wilson is here and his client. He has no insurance, well, Miss Barbara Plumage has no insurance, misdemeanor, and expired plates.
Does she have proofs?
I'm not sure, so she may have proofs.
Okay, I'll go in and see, I'll go see counsel.
Okay,
I see you got Miss Towns out here. Give me just a moment. I'm gonna go into Attorney Wilson.
I didn't bring her out. Miss Towns, did you speak to the attorney?
No, I was trying to make sure that I was still on here because nobody joined the room.
Yeah, we have one person and he goes down the list. He's in room 4 right now. You're in room 7. You have to look on your phone and get yourself back into that breakout room.
Okay.
Hi, Attorney Wilson. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Does your client have proofs today? I see we just have registration and insurance tickets.
Yes, she does.
Okay. Is she with you or are you waiving her appearance?
Should be signed on. She's not with me, but she's signed on.
Let me take a look. And we'll go ahead and get that one called and get you out of here. You can make your motion to dismiss based upon the proofs. But I don't see your client signed in, which is fine.
She's in room 3.
Thank you. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, room 3. Oh, Miss Horn is with us today. Good morning. Trying to move your client out to our main session. But it's not
Good morning,
giving me the
thank you.
option. Why? Good morning. Madam Clerk, would you, oh, there she is. Good morning, Miss Plumage.
Good morning.
Okay. Madam Clerk, would you call the Plumage matter, please, when you're ready?
Yes, Barbara Clyde Plumage, SP 1865078, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and SP 1865079, count 1, expired plates.
Thank you. Attorney Wilson.
Patrick Wilson appearing on behalf of Miss Plumage, P number 71035. Your Honor, Miss Plumage has obtained valid insurance and renewed her plate due to the fact that she has done all those things. We would move to dismiss the tickets.
Thank you. Have you reviewed the registration and insurance yourself? Have you seen it?
Yes, I have. She sent that to me and I have seen it.
All right, then I will take your word as an officer of the court. Miss Plumage, just state your name for the record, please.
Yes, Barbara Plumite.
Thank you, Ms. Plumite. All right, both tickets are dismissed for compliance. Attorney Wilson, your motion to dismiss is granted. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you. Oh, where's my camera? Good. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Good morning, Ms. Horn.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thanks for everything yesterday. I got some help yesterday. I was
Good.
out unexpectedly. Reagan had
I
a
know.
little issue with, I've never been on, well, once or, no, back in the day. But yeah, I
Yeah.
took off at 1:30 a.m. to East Lansing.
Oh, wow.
Dehydration and exhaustion. Yep.
Well, I'm glad that you got to her.
Yeah,
And,
yep.
you know, it's nice when they're close enough for us to get to.
And you
I
can't
did
wait
this.
to eat. You can't
Yeah,
like
no.
just go eat and
Yeah.
stop running around.
Yeah.
All
And
right.
I like having mine close by because if she needs me, I can get there.
I know, I can't imagine if she was even at CMU. That
Yeah.
would have been.
Yeah. The other one is so far away, you know.
Yeah.
I gotta get him to me when he needs me, but we do that too. Okay, let's see. We got Attorney Johnson. I think Attorney Johnson may be our only House counsel today. I don't know.
Okay, I wouldn't be
But
surprised. It doesn't look horrible for today.
Yeah, but I know he's looking for offers, so
Yep,
because he
I
doesn't
can
have
go
any,
in.
so you can start looking at room 5, Edward Thomas, and see what you're offering.
Okay, and just I guess co-host, Your Honor.
Oh shoot, sorry.
No problem. Thank you. And thank you, Madam Clerk. Good morning, Madam Clerk and Miss Pillow.
You're welcome.
Good morning. Okay, there you go.
All right, I'll go into.
All right, guys. I need to let in an unnamed device. Please cover any sensitive eyes or ears. Good morning on the Samsung. I need a name, please. Good morning on the Samsung. You must unmute and provide a name or I will have to remove you from the session. I've sent you a prompt to unmute.
Am I here?
There you go. What's your name, please?
Crystal Patterson.
How do you spell Crystal with a C or K?
Kristal.
You weren't here yesterday, were you?
Yes, I was.
You were. Okay. And why'd you come back today?
Because I didn't see nobody. I just sat there and sat there. I didn't see anyone.
So you just hung up?
Yeah.
Okay, you can't do that. All right, you got to remember what court used to be like when everybody had to come in person and you'd be here from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. We don't do that anymore. But there's still just one house counsel, one attorney that has to get through. Yesterday, there were two. Today, I have one, so it may be even slower. There's one house counsel that has to get through to talk to everyone. What were you scheduled for yesterday?
Traffic tickets, show cause, and traffic tickets that I have.
All right, give me just a minute. Let me see what you have. And see, now I don't know because you were here, you're scheduled for yesterday. So I've got to go pull that
No, I was
document.
scheduled for today, but I thought I was scheduled for yesterday, but I was
Oh.
scheduled for today.
Okay, great. Then that's fine. If you were scheduled for today, then we have no problems. Okay. So you're going to go into a breakout room. There is going to be a wait. Okay. If you know that any of your tickets have to do, same for you, Mr. Thompson. If you know that any of your tickets have to do with registration or insurance or getting something fixed on the car, like lights or window tint, and you've done those things and you have proof, gather those items while you're waiting. They're getting to you as quickly as they can, but don't leave and don't come out of the breakout room or you'll get skipped. Okay. So you're going to room 12. You're going to go ahead and hit join. Thank you. Mr. Thompson, were you here yesterday? I had two Michael Thompsons yesterday.
No, I was scheduled for today.
Okay, you're scheduled for trial today, so I'm going to put you in room 3. Go ahead and hit join for me when you have a chance. Remember, the officers have till 10 a.m. to show up usually, so there's a little bit of a wait for you. Okay, Jonathan Parth, good morning. Please unmute so I know you can hear me and your device is working properly.
Hi, can you hear me?
I can. Good morning. How are you today?
Good. How are you?
Good. I'm going to get you into a breakout room so you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Please don't hang up. If you know you need to show them things like registration or insurance, use the time you're waiting to gather those items. They'll get to you as quickly as they can.
Okay. I did submit all the pictures for that stuff.
Oh, okay. Well, hold on. Let me just take a look.
Okay.
Might be able to just get you in and out of here. Madam Clerk, I'm looking to see what time Mr. Parth is scheduled for.
8:45.
Thank you. All right. Oh, you've just got the no insurance. Okay. And do you have it with you?
It's on my phone.
Okay.
But I did send that in.
Can you check and see if we have an email from do you know which email address you sent it to, Mr. Parth?
Yeah, it'd be j.parth83@gmail. They're over in the other room.
I mean, do you know if I'm trying to understand if you sent it directly to my clerk or to the evidence mailbox, because that might explain why I haven't seen it.
Evidence mailbox.
Okay.
I have it.
Very good. All right. And okay, can we go ahead and call the matter then, please, Madam Clerk?
Yes. For Jonathan Preston Parth, SP 1863698, counts 1, 2, and 3, no insurance misdemeanor, expired plate civil, and dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plate civil.
Thank you. Mr. Parth, go ahead and state your name for the record, please.
Jonathan Preston Parth.
Thank you. All right. Given the nature of your tickets and the proofs presented, Mr. Parth, your tickets are dismissed for compliance. Have a good day.
Cool. Thanks.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
All right. Bye. No, this was for the court downtown. Oh, I was like,
Okay.
Jordan Truesdale is, let's see. Jordan Truesdale is only registration. I'll be back. Okay, Madam Clerk, I'm bringing out Jordan Truesdale. She's ready to go.
Okay.
Right, whenever you're ready to call Jordan Truesdale. Ms. Truesdale, you have that registration with you to show me?
I have it. I have my screenshots of my, like the Secretary of State site.
That's fine. I'm starting a chat with you so that you can send the screenshot back to me, okay?
Okay.
There you go. There's your start. You just send it back to me and I can take a look.
Okay.
Admitting an unnamed device, please cover any sensitive eyes or ears. On the Samsung, I need a name, please. You must unmute and give me a name or I will have to remove you from the session. On the Samsung, I need a name quickly or I must remove you from the session.
Okay, I think I was out and now I'm back in.
Yeah, you were. Okay. All right, would you call the Truesdale matter, please, Madam Clerk?
Jordan Truesdale, SP 1462684, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle.
Thank you. Ms. Truesdale, please state your name for the record.
My name is Jordan Truesdale.
Okay, I've started the chat with you. I'm going to do it again because I don't see a screenshot. So I need you to send that back to me.
Okay. I don't see it anymore.
Okay, I just sent it again, so I'm going to do it again. Are you on a different device than you were on before?
No, I'm on the same device. I saw it pop up originally, but when I went to, I had to give the Zoom permission to see my photos.
Okay.
And it took me out.
All right, so I'm going to try chatting you again.
Why is it not? Okay, here it is.
Okay, very good. Mr. Thomas, we'll get your case called in just a moment.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Thank you for sending that. All right, Ms. Truesdale, just state your name one more time for the record, please.
Jordan Truesdale.
Thank you. Your ticket is dismissed for compliance. Good job getting that done. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too.
Bye-bye. Then, Madam Clerk, would you please call the Edward Thomas matter when you're ready?
Okay. For Edward Thomas, SP 1865225, counts 1 and 2, drive one unregistered or untitled vehicle and no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you. Good morning, sir. Please state your name for the record.
Thomas.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Thomas, Defense Counsel, having reviewed your valid documents, has made a motion to dismiss your tickets, which I am happy to grant. Your tickets are dismissed. Have a good day.
Well, thank you.
You are welcome. Bye-bye.
Hello.
Can we run an SOS on Penn Swanigan, please? In room 10.
Okay.
On the Samsung, unnamed device coming in, please cover sensitive eyes and ears. On the Samsung, you keep muting. I need you to unmute and give me a name. I cannot allow you to stay in the session unidentified. Please unmute and state your name. Madam, there we go. All right, now I need you to unmute. There's a prompt on your device, sir. Please look at your device. I'm asking you to unmute. You're not unmuted. I can't hear you. Officer Hassan, good morning. Please unmute and tell me the case that you're here on.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm here on Payne Jamal Vaughn.
First name what?
Jamal
And last name is what?
Payne.
Payne?
Payton.
Thank you. All right, I'm going to put you in breakout room number 1 to see the city attorney.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Sir, on the Samsung, can you hear me yet?
Yes,
Perfect. What's your name?
Terry Thomas.
Thank you, Mr. Thomas. I'm going to get you into a breakout room so that you can meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. Don't hang up. There is a wait. They will, if you know you need to show like a driver's license, insurance, registration, go ahead and gather those things together now so you'll have them when they get to your room, okay? Go ahead and
All
hit
right, thank
join
you.
and just wait there for them. Thank you.
All right.
All right, did we get that SOS on Penn Swanigan? Valid. Thank you.
I don't see Terry Thomas on the docket. Mr. Thomas, do you have a ticket number?
I can't grab my ticket number right now. I mean, I can give you my either telephone number or social security number.
No, you're not supposed to be driving and we're on live YouTube.
Oh. Well, I'm trying.
Mr. Thomas, how come you're back out?
He's driving, can't he?
Pardon?
I can't see him on our docket.
Okay, Mr. Thomas, we don't see you on the docket and you're in court driving, which is creating a danger. So you're going to have to pull over if you want us to try to help you figure out when you're supposed to be here.
Okay, I'm about to pull. Soon I get past.
I think I found them because there's a lot of tickets. I think I may have found them. $835, no insurance misdemeanor.
That's it for Mr. Thomas?
No, I'm about to pull over.
Okay. Madam Clerk, are you saying that's it for Mr. Thomas?
Yes, I'm about to pull his file and make sure that's it.
Thank you.
You found it?
Mr. Thomas, we're not going to have any more discussion until you've pulled that car over.
Okay.
So you let me know when that's done.
All right.
Yes, Your Honor. That's it.
Okay, I'm pull over.
All right. So the only, it looks like Madam Clerk's going to confirm, but it looks like the only thing you have today is no insurance. Do you have proof of insurance today?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Can you show it to me? How do you have it? Where is it?
I got it on the,
Do you have paper or is it on your phone or something?
yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Give me just a second. We're going to take a look at it. Okay, you can put that down, sir. Thank you. All right, Madam Clerk, I've reviewed Mr. Thomas's proof of insurance, and whenever you're ready, you can call the matter.
Yes, Your Honor. Terry Renard Thomas, 26764-878, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor.
Thank you. Mr. Thomas, please state your name for the record.
Terry Thomas.
Thank you. The court having reviewed your valid insurance documents, your ticket is dismissed for compliance. Have a good day.
All right, thank you.
And now you can get back on the road. Okay, have a good one. Be safe.
All right, thank you.
Bye-bye. Let's see, do we need an SOS on Crystal Patterson?
I can run it. She has a lot of cases in one status.
Well, if any are licensed, let's just go ahead and run it so we can at least let Attorney Johnson know what she's dealing with.
Okay.
Hi, Judge. I'm just stopping in. I did send offers to Mr. Johnson today, what I could write up for today.
So does he have offers on all the folks that are here right now?
Yep, I just went on the docket sheet based on the docket sheet that we have today.
Okay,
I think
I
it's
just
2
wanted-
pages.
Because I know, like, I have number 12, Crystal Patterson, number 11, Walter Turner. Did he get offers on both of those?
Let's see, Patterson. Yep, I don't know if she has a license.
So, Madam Clerk, it's suspended. So
Okay, failure to display.
the
Let's see,
offer on Crystal Patterson is 1. Oh, she's got a bunch of tickets in warrant status.
Okay, so yeah, I'll need those. I have to look at the file.
Okay, you want to come down and look at the file?
Yes.
And what about Walter Turner in 11? Because he's got some tickets in warrant status too.
Yeah, so I have to look at those files.
Okay. What about room 10, Liziah Penn Swanigan? Now she has a number of tickets. She has valid everything now. License, registration, and insurance are all valid.
Her name again, Your Honor?
Liziah Penn Swanigan. It's hyphenated, Penn Swanigan.
Okay. Oh, I see her. One improper plate. She does have a number of tickets, and I know she's in compliance today, but if she only had like 2, I could understand.
No, I understand. That's why we didn't just do a dismissals. I know
Okay,
that.
thank you, Your Honor.
I know
So
that's
just
how you work.
So just one improper plate.
Okay, I just updated the room to reflect the offer. He's still
Okay.
saying he needs an offer on Delonte Penn in room 9 and room 8, Rokia Parker.
Okay, I did a failure to display for her.
On
and
Rokia Parker?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Judge. For the and dismissal of the other 3.
Offer equals 1 FTD. And then did you do an offer on Delonte Penn?
PENN. I think I
Yep,
just saw his
in
name.
room 9.
Okay. Yes, 3-month delayed sentence, Your Honor.
Okay, and then Alexandria Towns in room 7, or Alexandria Towns.
TOW.
Uh-huh.
All right. Let me see. I'm just looking for her on the docket.
Mhm. TOWNS, Alexandria is the first name. Madam Clerk, do you know when Alexandria Towns?
She was a late addition. She's scheduled for unregistered, untitled vehicle, failed to yield right away, improper U-turn, and unregistered, untitled. And that's it.
Okay, so those 3.
Those 3, yes.
Okay, so 1 to 5 regular speed on the fail to yield to right of way and dismissal of the other 2 charges, Your Honor.
Offer equals 1 to 5 speed. Okay, dismiss others. Got it. Okay, and then Michael Thompson's here for trial. He's in room 3. I don't have an officer there yet. House Counsel, attention, House Counsel, Attorney Johnson, please see room names for updated offers. Please see room names for updated offers.
Okay, and I'll go talk to Officer Hassan, and then I'm gonna leave out. And then I got somebody in the conference room waiting to talk to me. I don't know if it's for one of our cases or not.
I may end up in 11 and 12 giving them new dates since they have significant number of other tickets and they're here for show cause today, so they have time to put the file together.
Okay, and that's for Turner and
Yep, that's Walter Turner and Crystal Patterson. If you can get to them, that's great, but
okay, thank you.
okay, thank you. Right, I'm gonna bring Ms. Penn Swanigan out. As Attorney Johnson recorded it, it's an FTD and an improper plate, but Ms. Horn updated it to just improper plate since she has valid documentation and her license is valid. All right, Ms. Penn Swanigan, good morning.
Good morning.
I know House Counsel discussed one failure to display and one improper plate with you, but because everything is valid, the city attorney amended that to just the improper plate. No failure to display, okay?
Okay.
And so you'll have 5 tickets dismissed. Madam Clerk, when you're ready, would you call the Penn Swanigan matter, please?
Yes. I'm sorry, how do you pronounce your first name? Lizaya?
Lizaya.
Lizaya Penn Swanigan, SP 1739474, count 1, SP 1346697, counts 1 and 2, and SP 1255527, counts 1, 2, and 3.
Thank you. Ms. Penn Swanigan, please state your name for the record.
Lizaya Penn Swanigan.
Thank you. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of improper plates and everything else is going to be dismissed because you managed to get all that stuff together, which is not easy. So good job doing that.
Thank you.
I understand you'd like to avail yourself of that offer.
Yes.
All right. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have the date location for the improper plate, please?
July 29, 2024, West 7 Mile and Greenview.
All right. Is it true, Ms. Penn Swanigan, that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of registration or insurance?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Your fine's going to be $190. You have 60 days. Within the 60 days, get it paid in full or see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse for a longer term payment plan if you need one. give them the down payment that they request, and everything will stay in place as we've discussed today, okay?
Okay.
Don't try to pay today, wait till tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, have a great day.
You as well. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, we've got Mr. Phoenix back. I'm gonna try to deal with him out here. What's his pretrial on Mr. Phoenix? I thought it was paper.
I believe it is.
Let's see, he's got registration, license, insurance, plates, then he's got a seatbelt ticket. Can we run his license, please? This SOS. Where did he go? He's lost again. Where'd he go? All right, well, we'll run it anyway, Mr. Phoenix, so we'll know when he comes back. He has some trouble with the technology.
Suspended.
Okay. Attorney Johnson, main session, please. Attorney Johnson, main session at your convenience, please. Okay, yep, he gave room 11 a date to come back. That's fine. Hey, Attorney Johnson, I see that looks like you gave the person in room 11 a new date to come back.
Was that Mr. Turner? I
Yeah.
think, yes.
Which is fine. So that's actually one of the things I was going to tell you. We're sharing Ms. Horn, so she may not make it back in time to review those files in 11 and 12. But I was going to ask if you could go on back up to starting with room 7. All your offers are there so that I can be
Okay.
processing those while you deal with the others.
All righty.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, Eric Phillips. Mr. Phillips, I need you to unmute, please.
Yes, ma'am.
How you doing today?
I'm doing fine.
Good. All right, you're here for trial. I'm going to
Yeah.
put you in a breakout room so you can meet with an attorney. Have you spoken with an attorney outside of court at all?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're going to go to room 4, hit join. An attorney will come see you shortly. You're early, so be patient, please. They're dealing with resolving some other matters that are not set for trial today, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. You're going to room 4. Go ahead and hit join.
All right.
I went into a drug-free
Good morning.
program. Good morning.
Good
How are
morning.
you all? Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. How
what's
you doing?
Fine, what's your
Ma'am?
name?
James Tony. I've been trying to get into this thing. I'm not really computer or electronically literate, so I'm making mistakes, and I'm blessed to just get to talk to somebody this
Okay,
morning.
you're fine.
So
Okay.
please forgive me.
It's okay. I have you checked in. You're gonna speak to
Okay.
an attorney about your case. Please be patient.
Okay.
He will be there to speak with you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Oh, blessings, blessings. I thought I screwed up. Thank you.
No, you didn't.
Yes.
Okay. Ready on. Okay, one moment, Ms. Town.
Okay.
Oh,
Tony?
Okay, Madam Clerk, I am ready when you are.
okay, first we have Miss Alexandria Marie Towns, SP 1866710, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and SP 1867270, counts 1 and 2, failed to yield right of way and improper U-turn.
Thank you. Ms. Towns, good morning. Please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Alexandria Towns.
Thank you. I understand they're going to amend the failure to yield right of way to a 1 to 5 over speed, so that it saves you a point or two, and then they're going to dismiss everything else. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. And Madam Clerk, could you provide the date and location on that ticket, please?
Yes, it's February 21, 2026, Holcomb and Edgewood.
Please raise your right hand, Ms. Towns. Swear affirm everything and tell the court today is the truth.
Yes.
And you are admitting to at least going 1 to 5 over speed at that date and location. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. You can put your hand down. The fine is $125. You have 60 days to get it paid in full, or if you can't pay it in full, to get the down payment to the cashiers on the first floor for a longer term payment plan. As long as you do one of those two things, your deal stays in place, okay?
Okay.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Madam Clerk, can you give me back host or co-host? Doesn't matter which one.
Thank you.
I just need to be able to see the breakout rooms. Thank you. Okay, ready on your next one.
Okay, Rokia LaDiamond Parker, SP 1848408, count 1, drive while license suspended, and SP 1848391, counts 1, 2, and 3, expired plates, no valid registration, no proof of insurance, all civil.
Okay, Ms. Parker, good morning again.
Good morning, ma'am.
All right, let's see. Give me just a moment. I'm taking a look at something.
Okay.
All right. I understand you're going to be pleading guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid license. Everything else would be dismissed. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
One more time, I'm sorry?
Did anyone promise you anything that I don't know about to get you to
Oh,
plead
no,
guilty
ma'am.
today? Did
No,
anyone
ma'am.
force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Correct.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
I swear.
Thank you. You may put your hand down. Madam Clerk, may I have the date and location, please?
December 30th, 2025, Doris and Livernois.
Ms. Parker, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were operating a vehicle and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Your plea is accepted. Your fine is $190. You have 60 days to get it paid. Within those 60 days, if you cannot get it paid, you may also see the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse. Give them a down payment on a longer term payment plan. As long as you do that, everything stays in place, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a great day, Ms. Parker.
You as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, then we have Mr. Penn. Mr. Penn, are you pulled over? Yes?
Yes, I'm pulled over.
Okay, very good. We're ready on Delonte Penn when you are, Madam Clerk.
Delonte Jamal Penn, SP 1867783, counts 1. City parks closed 10 p.m. to 6 a.m.
Thank you. Mr. Penn, please state your name.
Delonte Penn.
Thank you. Looks like you're going to be pleading guilty as charged, but with a 3-month delayed sentence, meaning it will go on your record, but it will come off your record in 3 months as long as you don't get any similar tickets and you get your fine paid. Is that all consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Everything is the truth.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, would you give me a date and location, please?
February 13th, 2026, 24th and West Jefferson.
Sir, is it true that at that date and location in the city of Detroit, you were in a city park after posted closing hours?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Your plea is accepted. Your fine is $190. You have 3 months to get this paid, 90 days under your delayed sentence. As long as you get it paid in the 90 days and you don't pick up any similar charges, you don't have to come back and see me again. If, however, something happens where you don't get it paid, or you get another ticket like this, you're going to need to come see me so we can see if we can get you back on track. All right. I'm going to give you that date just in case you need it. Madam Clerk, that 90-day date, please.
June 18th at 8:30.
Okay, only if you need to see us, June 18th at 8:30. Otherwise, we'll pull it up on that date and dismiss it if we don't see anything else come in and we see that it's been paid. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Johnny, can you make me co-host?
Yes, ma'am. Looks like they're going to be getting an MIDC attorney for James Toney.
Okay. Yeah.
He's in room 13.
I probably would have made me co-host automatically, but I guess it didn't.
You have it now?
Yes, I can see the breakout room.
Okay. So we've got our trial cases, Michael Thompson and LaEric Phillips, which I think LaEric Phillips is an animal control case. It's strange that they're not here yet. They're usually here early.
Yeah, Hoskins is usually here. Investigator Hoskins.
All right, Madam Clerk,
Yes, Your Honor.
let's make sure all the warrants are cleared as to Crystal Patterson and Mr. Turner, who was here. They both got dates to come back based on the number of tickets and warrant status, but let's remove those warrants since they appeared. And
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, that leaves us with just our two trial matters. Michael Thompson and LaEric Phillips. Oh, I thought I saw an officer in the waiting room. There we go. Let's get them in here. Good morning, Officer Bush.
Hey, good morning.
I'm going to go ahead. Thank you for naming your device with the defendant's name. I'm going to go ahead and get you into breakout room number 1 so city attorney can come and find you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Just so you're aware, that person is not, that individual has not appeared just yet, but they would have been scheduled for 9:30, so they've got a little more time.
Okay.
All right, room 1, please.
Your Honor, with your permission, I can schedule Dwayne Phoenix another date.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with him. His device has been here twice. Yeah, let's give him another date. He may need to come in person because he has issues every time. Although yesterday he logged in without an issue.
Yes, yes. A week, is that good?
I'm thinking we better do 2 weeks just to make sure he has time to get it in the mail.
Okay, 2 weeks. I'll send it out for in person, for him to come in person.
Okay. All right. On Michael Thompson, looks like we're waiting on Officer Janikic. That's on Thompson. And then on Phillips, LaEric Phillips, who are we waiting on for that one? Hoskins.
Yeah.
All right, I'll give everybody about 5 more minutes to get here. But at this point, we're just holding the docket, waiting for officers, so. Have we gotten a call from any officers this morning?
we did get a call from, Officer Tompkins can tell you about that.
Okay, Officer Tompkins, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Have we heard from any
yeah.
officers?
Yes, I heard from Officer Jalen Morales. He was calling on Raheem Price at 9:30.
Okay,
He said that he was in the courtroom at another court and he wasn't gonna
okay,
be able to make it, so he was comfortable moving for dismissal.
okay, well, Mr. Price has not appeared, so. All right, anyone else?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Have we checked the sick list for Officer Janikik and Officer Hoskins? If not, would you please?
No, they're not on it, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
There's Hoskins. I knew that. I'm like, that's not making sense. Good morning, Investigator Hoskins.
Good morning.
Good morning. Please let us know if you're going to be a little bit late, just because I was getting ready to do dismissals for no officer, but I know you guys are always here. So I was like, that's strange. They're always here.
Yeah,
Okay.
I was summoned late for this one. It was supposed to be 9:30.
Okay. All right. Let me get you into room 1. Okay.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. All right. Officer Bush, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
I don't want to keep you waiting any longer. Ms. Potts has not appeared. KPS will issue. Madam Clerk, as to Ms. Potts, KPS will issue.
Okay, thank you. Enjoy your weekend.
Thank you. Same to you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Michael Thompson, good morning.
Good morning, Tom.
How you doing today?
Okay, how about yourself?
Good. Give me just a moment. Attorney Johnson, please join main session. Attorney Johnson, please join the main session. Thank you, Attorney Johnson. I have Michael Thompson here who is scheduled for trial. The officer has failed to appear and has failed to notify the court for a reason for non-appearance. We're going to go ahead and call that matter.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, would you please call the Michael Thompson matter?
Okay. Michael Brent Thompson Jr., SP 1821137, counts 1 and 2, entering a vacant dwelling without owner's written permission and supply false information and/or ID to police officer.
Thank you. Attorney Johnson.
Good morning, Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf and with Mr. Thompson, who's appearing via Zoom or by phone. Mr. Thompson, state your full name for the record.
Michael Brent Thompson Jr.
Thank you. Mr. Thompson, do you have the ability to start your video? Are you appropriate for court?
Yes.
All right, go ahead and do that, please. Thank you. All right, good morning to you. If you're driving, you need to pull over.
I'm not driving, I'm pulled over.
Thank you. Very good. All right, Attorney Johnson.
Your Honor, today is day and time for trial. It's my understanding that there's no complaining witness, no officer Janik, Janikkic, who has appeared. And with that being said, we would move for dismissal for no complaining witness.
Thank you. Court has not heard from Officer Janik as to any reason for a non-appearance. We've also checked the sick and furloughed list. The officer does not appear on that list. For those reasons, the cases will be dismissed at this time without prejudice. Mr. Thompson, without prejudice means that they could refile it at a later date. If they did, you'd come back and see me then. It's not the norm, but it does sometimes happen. For now, have a good weekend.
Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye. Okay, Ms. Horn knows you're waiting on her on the animal control case. That appears to be our last one.
Yes. So he does have the documents that he can provide. The other ones, I guess, is maybe still questionable. It depends on.
Yeah, I don't know what the alleged circumstances are around it.
All right. So I will go into a breakout room then.
Okay, yep. Hopefully we'll have Ms. Horn here in just a minute on those.
Okay. I'll go into since the
Thank you.
investigators in one.
Okay.
All right. Thanks.
Okay. Madam Clerk, please let me know when they're ready on the animal control matter.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hi, is this, Mr.
Hello.
Payton?
Yeah.
Okay, one moment. Let me rename you.
Who do we have here, Madam Clerk?
Excuse me?
What's your name?
Jamal Payton. He was scheduled for trial. The officer did appear.
Yep. And what happened? Because the officer was here.
I don't know if he spoke with Miss Horn. We need to get in touch with Miss Horn.
Okay, let's put him in room 3. Mr. Payton, this is happening because you're almost 30 minutes late for court.
I'm sorry about that.
I don't know how we're going to resolve it because your officer did appear. So we'll get you into room 3.
Okay, I'm putting him in 3 now.
Thank you. House Counsel, please note there is a new citizen in room 3. House Counsel, please note there is a new citizen for trial in room 3. The officer was here. Please see Ms. Horn regarding any offer.
Oh, here's Ms. Horn. Hi, Ms. Horn.
Yeah, I just spoke with Mr. Johnson. He hasn't come back in.
Who, Attorney Johnson?
Yes, he spoke to me about Mr. Phillips. I gave him the offer.
Oh, okay. We have one more person. Officer Hassan, did he give you an offer for Jamal Payton?
He didn't give me an offer, but I have an offer, and that's Peyton. Failure to display. I sent that over to Mr. Johnson also on the docket sheet, even though it was first thing this morning, this morning when I got
Okay,
it.
which case are we talking about? Are we talking about the animal control case?
Animal control case. The people are moving for dismissal on the license and rabies shot for compliance.
Uh-huh.
And as to the animal cruelty and dog tether, the people are moving for a 12-month delayed sentence.
On both of them?
Yes, and I did send over Mr. Johnson the discovery that we have for his review.
Thank you. And then it looks like he's going to take that one. And then on Jamal Payton, we didn't know what was going on because the officer was here. Mr. Payton was late.
Yep, no failure to display on count 2, Your Honor, and
Okay.
dismissal of count 1.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Oh, and can you put me in the room with Investigator Hoskins? Just want him to know I got his information.
Okay, so looks like we're ready on both of these. Okay, thank you. We'll go to Eric Phillips. Eric Phillips and Investigator Hoskins, please return to the main session.
All right here, Mel.
Thank you. Just waiting for the officer to come out. So I see you're going to be taking a plea to the 12-month delayed sentence, Mr. Phillips. Now I'm going to tell you something about animal control. They will be back to your place
No,
regularly.
I don't got no problem. He caught me at
Okay,
the wrong
I
time.
just want you to know because it's a delayed sentence, so getting more tickets like this will throw it off. So make sure everything's in order, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Madam Clerk, would you please call the Phillips matters?
Okay, for the Eric Phillips, V 140-68426, 68526, 68626, and 68726.
Thank you. Mr. Phillips, please state your name for the record.
Leroy Phillips.
Thank you. Attorney Johnson, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rodney Johnson, P7812, appearing on behalf and with Mr. Phillips.
Thank you. Investigator Hoskins, please state your name and badge number identifying information for the record.
Investigator Raymond Hoskins, City of Detroit Animal Control Investigator, badge number 44.
Thank you. All right. Attorney Johnson, looks like there's going to be a guilty plea with a 12-month delayed sentence on the 2 counts that are not the vaccination or the licensing. Ms. Horn, did you want to place an appearance on the record?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
Thank you. All right. So looks like our guilty plea is as to the animal cruelty and dog tether charges. Those are going to be 12-month delayed sentence. Mr. Phillips, is that consistent with your understanding?
Yeah, like I got 12 months to pay the fines.
Correct. Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
That's it. He said the fine. Like I'm getting tired of going through all this.
Did anyone, sir, I'm asking you yes or no questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Guilty plea. I just need you to answer my questions. Did anyone promise you anything I haven't heard about to get you to plead guilty today?
No,
Mr. Phillips, I don't know what else to say to you other than I'm asking you yes or no questions that require a yes or no answer under the court rules. Did anyone promise you anything that I don't know about to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, because it was a mistake.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial? Mr. Phillips, you have the right to a trial in this matter. If you had a trial, you would have the right to see, hear, and question witnesses against you. You'd have the right to have us subpoena witnesses for you. You would have the right to testify on your own behalf. You would have the right not to testify and to have the government have no comment, make no comment at trial about your refusal to testify. And you would have the right to be presumed innocent unless proven guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Mr. Phillips, do you understand those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that you will not have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand and swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell the court today is the truth.
It's the truth, ma'am.
Thank you. You may put your hand down. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location, please?
Between the dates of December 11, 2025 and January 15, 2026, 14701 Tacoma in Detroit.
Mr. Phillips, is it true that in that date or around that date and location in the city of Detroit, you had your animal improperly tethered? Mr. Johnson, would you like to take over the factual basis?
Mr. Phillips, on that day and time that the judge just mentioned, was your dog outside?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
And that dog at that time may not have been tethered properly?
I don't know tethered properly, but it was tethered.
Okay. And you're sure about that? Is there any possibility that your cousin did not have that dog properly tethered?
Like this, me and my cousin take turns with dogs because around those times I have a
Mr. Phillips.
I'm sorry, on behalf of the City of Detroit, I cannot accept a plea that is finding the non-defendant here guilty, meaning his cousin. We are seeking that he plead guilty, and if he's not, we can move for trial.
We understand that. I think we're trying to understand what Mr. Phillips is saying. I quite frankly don't know yet Mr. Phillips, was the dog, is this a dog that we're talking about?
Yes, ma'am.
And where was it?
It's tied up by his doghouse.
Where's the doghouse?
It was in the backyard.
Of whose house?
My house.
Then why are you blaming your cousin?
Because I have a health issue as well. Like the last couple of months, I've been dealing with my find that I had diabetes. So I've been exhausted.
This is your dog. It was on your property. It was tethered in the backyard, tied to what?
I got a stake in the ground.
Fine. Satisfied as to the tethering issue. What are the facts that you are using, Ms. Horn, to allege animal cruelty?
Improper shelter. It was roughly 20 degrees or below. The doghouse did not have hay. And as far as food and water, they were not accessible to the dog, and the dog was in the backyard out appearing to suffer. Is that correct, Investigator Hoskins?
I can show you my dog.
Mr. Phillips, I've not asked you to speak again yet. You were
Yes,
having
ma'am.
difficulty with this, so I'm getting some help. I will come back to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Investigator Hoskins, is that the allegation?
Almost, Your Honor. Ms. Horn misspoke when she said there was no hay. There actually was straw. There was insufficient shelter from the elements to keep the dog in a state of good health.
Thank you.
And that is because the dog was in a dog house outside and the weather was below 20 degrees?
Correct.
Without adequate insulation?
Correct.
Okay. Mr. Phillips, is that true? Was it cold that day?
It was.
Okay.
That day,
I don't
like,
need it. I just need to know because we're talking about what's the date, please?
Between the dates of December 11, 2025 and January 15, 2026.
All right, it's Detroit. So obviously it's cold outside. Your dog was tethered outside. Is that correct?
Yes, but it ain't
All right.
covered
I don't need a
24/7.
yes, but unless you want to go to trial, Mr. Phillips, it's your right to go to trial. I've explained that to you today. The city attorney has explained it. It's your absolute right. I can set the case for trial. What I cannot do is have a trial right here, right now, when we're not doing that. So
Yes,
if you
ma'am.
want to take the plea, you'll plead. If you want to go to trial, let's go to trial.
Yes, ma'am.
It sounds like you don't believe you're responsible for what happened.
Yes, I take responsibility. It's just accidents happens.
Okay, one moment, please.
Ugh.
Sorry, guys, give me one moment. All right, Mr. Phillips, so we're at a point where we need to determine whether or not you would like to go to trial or you want to take the plea. I have established that your dog was outside in your backyard in December and January in Detroit, which would make it very cold outside. That dog was tethered to a stake in the ground. You have admitted that to the court.
Yes,
Under
ma'am.
Now, the next question has to do with the animal cruelty they are alleging, which is based upon many of the same factors. They are stating that the dog was outdoors, that the only shelter it could get to was a doghouse that did not have adequate insulation in it. Ms. Horn also stated, in Investigator Hoskins, I don't know if you addressed this, Ms. Horn also stated that food and water was not accessible to the dog.
Well,
Investigator Hoskins, I'm asking you to clarify that, please.
That's correct.
All right, thank you. Mr. Phillips, are you denying that the food and water was not accessible to the dog at that time?
yes, ma'am. Because I usually take the food outside.
Had you done that day?
Not that day because I just woke up. It was dark.
What about water? Had you given, Mr. Payton, you're going to need to be quiet. What about water, Mr. Phillips?
Like, I always keep water out there for the dogs.
And were you able to see if the dog could reach the water?
I was able to see, ma'am. Because usually it can reach the water.
Okay.
It usually can you reach the food. I take my food out there like this.
I've been told that there is video or photographic evidence in this case. Is that correct?
That's what he said, ma'am.
Thank you. Was that video or photographic evidence provided to defense counsel and Mr. Phillips?
Your Honor, the city did make us aware that it was available. We did not review it based upon the direction I thought we were going in with the plea.
All right, we're going to call the Jamal Payton matter, and then we'll come back to Mr.
Yeah, because I'm
Phillips.
trying to take my plea.
Mr. Phillips, you'll need to wait a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Payton, you need to unmute, please. Jamal Payton, I had to mute you because of the background noise. Please unmute. Thank you. Madam Clerk, would you please call the Payton matter?
Jamal Vaughn Payton, SP 1851288, counts 1 and 2, no insurance misdemeanor and drive while license suspended.
Thank you. Attorney Johnson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rodney Johnson, P78121, appearing on behalf of Mr. Payton, who is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Payton, state your full name for the record.
Jamal Vaughn Payton.
And Your Honor, I did ask my client to turn on his video, but he said he may lose the connection if he turns on the video.
That's fine.
Your Honor, today is date and time for a trial in this matter. My client is going to waive his rights to a trial. I did tell him the complaining witness did appear and that he's going to accept the following plea, which is a plea to failure to display, a 0-point offense. The other ticket, count 1 on that ticket for no insurance, will be dismissed.
Thank you, Mr. Payton. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yeah.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand, swear or affirm that everything you're going to tell me today is the truth.
Yes.
Thank you. Madam Clerk, may I have a date and location as to the failure to display, please?
January 18th, 2025, West McNichols and Mansfield.
Yes.
Mr. Payton, is it true that you were operating a vehicle at that date and location in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Your fine is going to be $190. Your insurance ticket is dismissed. The $190, you have 60 days to get that paid. If you can't pay it in 60 days, please see the cashiers on the first floor to start a payment plan within the 60 days. As long as you do one of those two things, your deal will remain in place, okay?
All right.
Thank you. Have a good day or good weekend, Mr. Payton.
All right, you too.
Okay, so as to Mr. Phillips, here's the problem I think we're running into. If everybody could get their videos back on, please. It sounds to me like what Mr. Phillips is trying to communicate to us is that due to his illness, he was not fully aware of the conditions that the dog was dealing with in the backyard. He was able to establish the plea as to the tether because he had knowledge that the dog had been tethered. But it sounds like as to the others, he's having difficulty with that due to perhaps a lack of memory, whatever is going on with his illness. If you guys want to talk about this as a no contest plea, please go to discuss that. Court would be willing to accept that at this time because that's what I'm hearing from Mr. Phillips.
I have no objection to a no contest plea.
All right, Ms. Horn.
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. All right.
And if I may, Your Honor,
yes.
Mr. Phillips, a no contest plea is still a guilty plea. However, because of the lack of memory or recollection at this time, you can plead no contest to the allegations, and it will still be under the 12-month delayed sentence as we discussed before. But because of your health conditions and your lack of memory, we can do a no contest plea. Again, it's still a guilty plea.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Okay, so then you don't have to, it's okay if you don't remember, you don't have to say anything. We'll use something else to establish the facts, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and counsel, are you guys okay with using the face of the ticket and the statements made by Investigator Hoskins today to establish the factual basis?
Yes, the defense is okay with the face of the ticket to establish a factual basis and any statements made by the investigator.
All right, thank you. All right, then the court will accept the no contest plea as to the second count, guilty plea as to the first count, because Mr. Phillips did have memory of the tethering there. All right, so 12-month delayed sentence on both Mr. Phillips. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to pay, let me just see here. $380 in the next 12 months.
Yes,
Pay the
ma'am.
$380 in the next 12 months, but here's the second part of this deal.
Yes.
That dog, now that you've got the licensing and all of the vaccination, that's great.
Yes.
You need to familiarize yourself with how you legally keep your dog.
Yes, ma'am. I'm working on that right now.
Food, water, shelter.
Yes, ma'am.
I hear that you're working on it. All right.
Yeah, yes, because I got to get a dog kennel.
Well, you need to figure out what you're doing with the dog in the interim. I don't know if you're going to bring the dog in the house and walk it or what you're going to do. But what I'm trying to tell you about animal control is they view this as an ongoing situation. So they'll be back to check and they'll issue more tickets, and that will mess up your delayed sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
So you need to get whatever you're supposed to be doing with the dog, get it done today.
Yes.
All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Court has accepted the pleas, done the sentence. All right. If you need to come back and see me in 12 months, Mr. Phillips, and that's only if you've gotten another ticket like this or you don't get your fine of $380 paid in the 12 months. Madam Clerk, could you please give the 12-month return date?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait, Mr. Phillips.
Yes, ma'am.
It's March 22, 2027 at 8:30.
Okay. So if you need to come back and see me, you're going to do that on March 22nd next year, 2027 at 8:30 in the morning. Okay. Now what's your question?
Yes, so like, can I do like a payment plan?
Yes, you can. So it's $380. You're essentially on a payment plan because you have 12 months to pay it.
Yes, ma'am.
That is your payment plan, okay?
That's all I was asking. I was confused.
Yep, just get it paid off within the 12 months and don't get any more animal tickets.
Yeah, like I never get animal tickets.
Well, you did this time. Don't get any more animal tickets and pay the 380 off in the 12 months and you're good to go. It'll come off your record, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Appreciate you.
You are very welcome, Mr. Phillips. Have a great day. Good weekend, okay?
You too, ma'am.
All right, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
guys,
you.
thank you. Thank you for your appearance. Thank you, guys.
Okay,
That's
thank
it for
you.
today.
Thank you, everyone, for your work today. Much appreciated. Everybody have a great weekend, great day.
All right, have a
Thank you,
great weekend.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye. Thank you all.
Okay, we have Dwayne Phoenix in the
Is he still in the waiting room again?
he's in the waiting room again. He just popped up not too
Good
long
grief.
ago. I know.
And now I've let Attorney Johnson go. Mr. Phoenix. Dwayne Phoenix. Good morning, Dwayne Phoenix. Please unmute. Yeah, Madam Clerk, would you set this Mr. Phoenix out for two? I need you to unmute Mr. Phoenix.
There you go. There you go.
Mr. Phoenix, you've been trying to do this all morning. I know you were trying to do it, but now
Yeah.
court's over and the attorneys have left. So we got to figure out what to do about you. I don't know if I need to bring you in person because it's just not working out.
I was there. I was there at 8:30.
I know, but you couldn't unmute your device. You couldn't turn on your camera. Then it went out. Then it came back in. Listen, I'm
Yeah.
looking at your, I've got registration, license, insurance. Your license is still suspended, improper plates, no valid registration, a seatbelt ticket, and then I got a narcotic violation, which means you must talk to counsel and city attorney.
Where is that narcotic stuff coming from? I ain't had no narcotic stuff.
Well, that's what's on your tickets. It's got your middle name associated with it. It says that you were already sentenced on it actually, and that we're here for a review. Madam Clerk, can you pull up the review ticket, please?
Yeah, I don't know nothing about that.
Mr.
All right.
Phoenix, you're gonna
Yeah.
have to come in person the next time, and I'm going to assign an attorney to you.
Yes, the narcotics ticket, the plea was entered. Let's see. Last year, July 30th.
That's some that shit, Jim.
3-month delay.
Phoenix, are you on some kind of medication right now?
Yeah, I take the high blood pressure medicine.
The
I
what
take
medicine?
I take about 8 pills. I got high blood pressure, I got arthritis, I got gout, anxiety. I
Okay.
take.
Mr. Phoenix, you are going to need to come to court in person for your next court date. I don't know what's going on with your ability to use your device, but I remember you very well because we always have issues with your device and you being able to come in. So I'm going to give you,
I was
Mr.
there.
Phoenix, I'm still speaking.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Are you in the courthouse right now?
No, I'm on my phone.
Okay, so when you say you were there, you mean on your phone, but that's not working.
Yeah.
So we're going to send you something in the mail. You're going to come back in 2 weeks and you're going to come back in person.
Okay.
And we're going to appoint an attorney to you.
No
Madam
problem.
Clerk,
I just want. Can I just say this? I was in that.
Mr. Phoenix, I just told you, I know you brought your device in at 8:30. I saw it. I've been seeing your device come in and out all morning.
Yeah, no. The only reason why I did that because I didn't know if I was in that room or not.
Well, you've
No,
taken yourself in and out so many times because you weren't willing to wait for the attorney that now the attorney is gone. So to make sure that doesn't happen again, you're going to be appointed to be quiet, please. You're going to be appointed your own attorney and you're going to be given a date to come to court in person. Madam Clerk, we're going to need to get a phone number and email for Mr. Phoenix. I'm going to stop our live stream so that we can get his personal information.